Hi and welcome to our third Linchpin update this year. Today's summary started a bit differently. The teaser showed our new logo, which we now have implemented everywhere. I hope you like it. As always, I'm going to summarize all news from our 1-hour Linchpin update, starting with Linchpin On Premise and continuing with Linchpin Hey. Our main priority for Linchpin On Premise was to improve the performance and stability of the Linchpin suite. As Linchpin instances grow bigger, have more users and multiple application servers, the response time of pages may suffer, especially for pages with a lot of macros on it. It is normal for a large Confluence instance with many apps and features that this happens, but there are things that we can improve here. So let's have a look at some of the improvements we made based on your feedback. We now only load essential elements for news. This has reduced the amount of data by half and brings an improvement to all pages when news are displayed. We also use a new library for the date field now, which has reduced the amount of data by 75%. This also affects the corporate and personal newsfeed macros. Further improvements were possible for the custom user list and custom user search, and also for the user profile macro. It has caused longer response times if the same macro was used on a page many times. And as you can see here, we were able to reduce this as well. And last, we have worked on performance of caches. We've cleaned them up, removed inefficient caches and added new efficient ones. And we extended caches from 24 hours to up to 1 week to prevent unnecessary reloads. Feel free to reach out to us anytime if you experience any performance issues. This will be an ongoing priority for us. Another improvement made towards stability in Linchpin was the change of Linchpin Mobile Gateway. The gateway was previously connected with only one node in a data center. If that node failed, users could no longer access Linchpin Mobile, and an administrator had to set a new connection to one of the other nodes. With the new release, this problem has been fixed. Now, every minute, the system checks if the connection is still up. If not, a new node connects automatically. This way, we can guarantee a failsafe for Linchpin Mobile. This update is also about some new features. First, we improved the subscription of news channels. Let's have a look. This is what the old view looked like. We completely changed it. Instead of the previous list, you get clearly arranged tiles. You can use a search, filter for already subscribed spaces, or directly filter for news in your language. If you click on a space name, you will see a preview of the available news, or get more information on that space, for example the amount of news, so that info icon. Another minor improvement was made to Linchpin events. You can now not only link pages, but also blog posts to events. They will come up as soon as you start typing here. Another new feature affects Linchpin Mobile. Previously, it was a problem that inline comments were hard to recognize as such. They appeared in the comment section as a normal comment, and after an inline comment was resolved, they were still visible. That's why we created a new section for inline comments. Every comment opens in a new separate overlay. You can comment directly on an inline comment or navigate through the other comments. If the comment is resolved, it will also disappear within the app. The last improvement was made for Linchpin Mobile administrators. There's now a status indicator for mobile logins. This allows you to see how long QR codes are still valid and if they are in active use. We hope this will make a great improvement to the device management of your company's employees. What else is new? We keep on making improvements towards a better accessibility. This will be an ongoing topic for us for the next months. Feel free to reach out to us for more insights here. You might already know that some of our apps are part of the Atlassian Bug Bounty program. We're doing this step by step now until all of our apps, including the bundle Linchpin Suite, are part of that program. But this is not everything. We've expanded our measures regarding security checks before every release, and of course, whenever a new Confluence version is released, we check all our apps for compatibility, as we do right now with Confluence 7.13. The next release for Linchpin Suite 5.1 and Linchpin Essentials 2.1 are scheduled for mid-September. We will upload a pre-release to cyber.biz/early access for our partners soon. Stay tuned for updates on this. What will happen until our next update beginning of 2022? We continue to work on performance improvements. We start the implementation of the already announced Microsoft Teams integration for news and user profiles, as well as the visibility of restricted profile fields. And 2 new features are coming for Linchpin events that were highly voted for on Kenny. First is an event reminder for upcoming events, and second is a new view for events that a user has signed up for in the event portal. So, any feature requests you have, send them to us on linchpin.kenny.io or vote for existing feature requests there. The current roadmap is always available on cyber.biz/linchpin-roadmap. Feel free to check it out. You probably have heard it before. Linchpin Cloud is now Linchpin Hey. We noticed that people think Linchpin Cloud and on-premise only differ in terms of deployment. It is not only the standalone solution, but also our vision for the product, what makes it different. So we decided we need to start with a new name. Communication, sharing emotions, and social interactions are an important part of life. Every social relationship starts with a hey. So that's what Linchpin Hey stands for. Reaching out to each other, listening, and sharing moments. Let's see how the onboarding process looks like. You can simply navigate to the people directory, click on invite, type in the email address. Now the other person can open the invite link, sign in, and join the workspace. With posts, we map the communication level between news and one-to-one chat. Especially the exchange of project groups, teams, or interest groups takes often place time delayed. With Linchpin Hey, it is now finally possible to display images and YouTube videos. In addition, new content is highlighted for you. And we love reacting to new content. Since May, an emotion was expressed over 4,000 times on Linchpin Hey. This is a fairly easy way for any user to interact and to participate in a shared communication. The simple and clear Hey editor makes it possible to write and publish news quickly and easily. And with the draft functionality, we also allow you to write news as you go and publish them later. So that the news is not lost by mistake, we have implemented a simple autosave. So your written content will not get lost anymore. In addition to the mails and pings introduced last time, push notifications are now also available for the mobile app. New news, new posts, or latest reactions to your comment. From now on, you get it directly to your phone. With our notification center, you can decide how you want to receive notifications. Whether you prefer to be notified by mail or by push notification to your phone. By the way, over 50% of all interactions on Linchpin Hey are done on a mobile device through our app. And that's probably also because we have a feature parity of 99% between desktop and mobile app. This update, I can finally show you our new Hey user profiles. Now users can specify which role they have in their company and which team they work in. They can fill in their birthday, contact information, and soon their level of skills, such as for languages or technical experience. These were some of the 22 features the team released in the last 15 weeks since the last update. What is coming next? We will soon release an upload for profile and header picture. We have also received a lot of feedback on the use of posts, news and events. So we will make improvements to their usability. By the end of the year, we would like to extend the functionality of profiles. This includes a phone book and widgets for user profile information to draw attention to new employees, birthdays or anniversaries. In the next quarter, we will start evaluating an Active Directory integration with Microsoft Azure for Linchpin Hey. And last but not least, we will be implementing a search to our workspaces. Check out our public roadmap for the next 4 quarters on cyber.biz/hey-roadmap. Now, test Linchpin Hey yourself on beta.linchpin.cloud, and of course, feel free to schedule a demo with me anytime. Have a look at our early adopters program and hit me up for any questions you come up with. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you all in person soon. In the meantime, follow us on YouTube. We upload great content. Connect with us on LinkedIn to stay up to date and sign up for our upcoming events. See you next time.